All right, welcome to Earth Science with Mr. Fuller. There are 3 easy things you'll need to do by the end of today. Okay, watch the video syllabus, which you're watching right now. Take your first quiz. Locate 3 Earth Science jobs using an internet search engine. All right, so a little bit about this class. This class is divided into 3 main parts. Okay, we got classwork, homework, labs, projects and activities, and tests and quizzes. Okay. If you are ever absent and you need to make up classwork, labs, or tests, please go to my class website on Blackboard here, rjuhsd.blackboard.com. All right, so classwork. Classwork is worth about 10% of your grade. Classwork consists of bell work and online assignments. So let's talk a little bit about bell work here. Bell work begins immediately when you enter the class. Bell work is due every Friday unless otherwise stated. Okay, so I collect bell work on Friday. Every day of bell work is worth 20 points. Okay, so a week's worth of bell work, 5 days, is worth 100 points when I collect it on Friday. Right? 5 days, 5 times 20, 100 points total. Okay, bell work can be made up online at my website. Online assignments. Online assignments are just like they sound. They are online and will completed during class time. Each online assignment is worth 100 points. If you finish early, you are encouraged to start on the homework. That way you have no homework and you're already on the computer, so you can start on the homework. All right, homework. Homework is worth 10% of your grade. Homework consists of Cornell notes. Cornell notes are due on the day of the test. Cornell notes are a system of note-taking, okay, that we will use in this class. Every day of Cornell notes is worth 50 points. Each unit will consist of 3 or 4 days of notes. So 3 days of notes is worth, well, 150 points. And 4 days of notes is worth, you guessed it, 200 points. So, Cornell note format here. Notice the questions will be written on the left-hand side and the answers, diagrams, drawings, pictures, whatever, tables, okay, anything basically under the question here will go on the right-hand side. So what side do I write the question on? That's a question. Questions go on the left-hand side. And answers, okay, go on the right-hand side. So, Cornell note points. Quick writes are a daily question worth about 5 points that you answer in 1 to 2 sentences. Okay, quick writes are just designed to get you thinking about the day's topic. There's no right or wrong answer. You just write what you think for 5 easy points. Then, the main section of your notes are worth 25 points. All right? And then summaries are worth 20 points. So 50 points total. So please note, summaries and bell work are usually a hint to what you're going to see on the test. Summaries and bell work often contain test questions or diagrams that you will most likely come across during a test. Okay? So if you see a diagram or a picture during bell work or in a summary, you're probably going to see it again on a test. Just a hint there. The best way to get a good grade in this class is to complete note summaries and bell works. All right, so labs and activities. Labs and activities are worth 20% of your grade. Okay. We will usually spend between 40 and 60 minutes on a lab. Labs or activities are usually due the day they are assigned or the day after, depending upon how much time they take. I take lab safety very seriously. Anyone caught goofing around in the lab will receive a 0 on the assignment for that day. Anyone caught abusing school property and lab materials will also receive a 0 on the assignment for that day. Okay, if you were absent for a lab, come see me about a makeup assignment. All right? If you are absent, come talk to me. Labs should always be written in complete sentences, and you should never copy anyone's lab. They are done on your own. You can get help, but copying is not helping someone. Lab write-ups. All right, always got a purpose. What's the purpose of the lab? Why the heck are we doing this thing? Okay, usually with a little hypothesis, a prediction of what you know. Well, here's what I know. I'm going to make an educated guess. Materials. What kind of equipment are we using? Okay. Procedure. What steps, did I take to achieve a desired result or outcome? Results or data. What kind of data or information did I obtain? Questions in conclusion. What did I learn? Did I perform the lab correctly? If not, why not? What went wrong? Each lab will have questions. Be sure to each question is answered correctly in complete sentences. Okay? If you write one word down or two words down, you're going to be marked wrong. Okay? You got to write sentences. All right, tests and quizzes. Tests and quizzes are worth 60% of your grade. So almost all of your grade comes down to how well you do on the tests and quizzes. Okay, so study and work hard. Okay, so if you don't like your test grade, well, you have up to 3 test retakes to improve your score. Right? Come talk to me when you would like to schedule a test retake. Okay, during lunch, after school, or even before school. The worst thing you can do in this class is miss a test or quiz and not make it up. It will severely impact or affect your grade in a very negative way. So you need to come talk to me if you missed the test. All right, academic integrity. If you are caught cheating, I will take the assignment from you and the work will count as a 0 in my gradebook. Okay, labs. People copy the most during labs, and I've taken many labs and given many zeros. So don't copy. Help each other. By copying, you're not helping that person. Okay? By explaining them to them, okay, and showing them and talking to them about it, you are helping them because they are learning. All right? So do not copy other students' labs or you will receive a 0. Okay? Like I said, copying other people's work is a form of plagiarism. All right, movies. We're going to watch a lot of great movies in this class on earthquakes, volcanoes, okay? So make an effort to listen and learn during the movies because there's a lot of good educational stuff in them. There will almost always be questions, though, that go along or accompany the movie. The movie will often be followed by a short or brief quiz, okay, just to see who's been listening, okay? So there will be a quiz at the end of the movie. Remember, tests and quizzes are worth 60% of your grade. So pay attention to the movie. All right, quiz time. All right, now it's time to see how well you know this class after watching this video here. Hopefully you know how my class is run and managed, all right? When things are due and whatnot. So take the quiz and remember, you can use this first day assignment to help you on the quiz, all right? If you have time, you can also retake the quiz for a higher grade. All right. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.